Hello again. We're going to focus on time signs today. So before we start, we're going to review our numbers 1 through 12. So 1 through 5 can either be facing this way or this way. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. All right, and I'm going to talk about a 9 rule. In sign language, you can modify signs, and like if you're talking about how many of something, you can take the numbers 1 through 9 and incorporate that, like change the hand shape, that number. For instance, day. This is the sign for day. Day. But if you did with a 2, that would mean 2 days. 2 days. And you can do that up to the number 9, 9 days. Then it changes to 10 days. Two separate signs, like we have two separate words. And I'll give you more examples of that as we go in, because there'll be some in here. Our first example is ordinal numbers. If you're having a race or if you're listing things, you use words like first and second, right? So numbers 1 through 9, you can twist first, second, third, fourth, all the way up to ninth. And then after that, you do the number, like 10, or 30, 31, 31st, 31st. So, but 1 through 9, you can just flip like this. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, or ninth. All right. Time. Time, you just point to where a watch would be or where your watch is. Time. Clock. You point to your watch first, and then you bring it up whatever time it is. So if it's 1 o'clock, you kind of shake it. Time 1 or time 2. So the shaking is kind of like o'clock. If it's 2:30, you do 2:30. 2:30. The hour, you kind of move around a little bit. Not too much, because that's crazy, but hour, your non-dominant hand becomes a clock, and it goes around an hour, right? It goes all the way around for an hour. Minute, it just goes a little bit. And second, we abbreviate SEC. You just fingerspell SEC, sec. And it's so fast, it almost looks like SC, sec. All right, the times of day. Your non-dominant hand or arm is flat like the horizon. I think we discussed some of these already, but the horizon, and your signing hand comes up in the morning, the sun rises, noon, 12 o'clock, right? You'll see it's straight ahead. Afternoon, evening, and night, it's down over the horizon. So all day, all night. And midnight is the opposite of noon. Noon or noon. You'll see that a lot of times. Midnight. And you will see the horizon used for times of day too, like about 8 in the morning. They'll show it here, or like 2 in the morning. 2 in the morning as it's coming up. You'll see that. Let's see. In time, we talk about past, present, and future, right? So present is right here and now, right? So this is present. It's also the sign for today, now, presently, currently, now, today. Tomorrow is in the future. Tomorrow. Tomorrow. Yesterday is in the past. So it's behind us. Yesterday. Past. And you'll see like this 2 days ago, or the other day, 3 days ago, 4 days ago. That's about the max that you'll see. Then you'll see, 5 days ago. So they'll throw it in the past. Week. Let me show you my calendar here, because it's easier to think of a calendar when we go over these signs. So you see how weeks on a calendar go straight across? Your non-dominant hand becomes a calendar. And week, so week, week. And again, the 9 rule applies. So 2 weeks, 2 weeks in the future. In 2 weeks, I'm going on vacation. I wish. 2 weeks ago, 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago, last week, next week. It goes out in the future. Month. When you see a calendar, the whole month goes down, right? Month. Month. 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, up to 9. 9 months. Or you could do next month, last month, year. It's I think of the earth going around the sun. It takes a whole year to do that. Year. So you can do 2 years, or next year, you point it in the future, or last year, 3 years ago. Let's see. Where did I leave off? We did today, yesterday, tomorrow. Every day is all the tomorrows. So you'll see it like this. Tomorrow, right? Every day. It repeats over and over. Every day. Okay, days of the week. Sunday. I think of Palm Sunday, because you're showing your palms. Sunday. The others are easy, because it just takes the first letter, Monday. You take your M's and you circle. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. We already used T, so we're going to do H for Thursday, F for Friday, and S for Saturday. And we're back to Sunday. So if you're talking about, like I said, it's easier to see on the calendar. If, say, every Sunday you go to church, then you're going to sign, instead of one Sunday, you're going to do it going straight down for every Sunday, because it goes straight down on the calendar. Or every Monday, every Tuesday, you walk your dog. Hopefully you're doing that every day. Let's see. I think I covered all of them. And that was faster than I thought. So you might have to watch it again. Okay. Have fun with numbers and time. And I hope that was whoever requested time, that was what you were hoping to get. If not, if I missed something, let me know, please.